Lights! Camera!
Auction raffle! Guess what? November 16th is coming up, and you know what that means. Launch day for the Holy Redeemer You Choose auction raffle.
The Holy Redeemer You Choose auction raffle?
Yes, that's what I said. Launch day for the Holy Redeemer You Choose auction raffle.
Each year in November, we sell our raffle tickets to pay for the school and all the wonderful things Holy Redeemer does.
This year, Holy Redeemer needs our help more than ever.
Amazing! How can I help?
Help sell raffle tickets. By February 1st, our goal is 1,200 tickets.
That's a lot of tickets. That's right. And if we all work together, we can achieve our goals.
Think of it this way. If we each sell 5 or more tickets, we'll reach our goal. It's that easy.
How much are the raffle tickets?
Each ticket is $25.
How does the auction raffle work?
Great question. We sell the tickets by asking friends, family, and neighbors. We let them know why the fundraiser is so important.
If they're interested, we give them a raffle flyer to fill out. They can pay with cash, a check, or even purchase a ticket online.
If we receive cash or checks, we turn it in at school. Once the school gets the information, they will send a confirmation email to the purchaser.
Wait, can you purchase the raffle tickets online?
Yes, the flyer has a link to the school website and a QR code.
What can you win?
That's the best part. The raffle winners will get to choose. Just like the title, You Choose Raffle.
Huh?
The grand prize is a $3,000 Visa gift card to your dream destination, or $3,000 tuition voucher to any Catholic school for the 2021-2022 school year.
The second place prize is a $700 gift card to Amazon or Target.
Third place is a $400 gift card to the Apple or Microsoft Store.
This raffle's exciting. How would they know if they've won?
The drawing for the raffle is the night of the auction. This year, the auction is Saturday, March 6th, and will be online, which means everyone can sign up and attend from the comfort of their own home.
What?
Mark your calendars. The Holy Redeemer Catholic School online auction is Saturday, March 6th.
How can I sell raffle tickets?
I am happy you asked. I am an expert at selling auction raffle tickets, and I will share with you my selling secret. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Selling tip number 1, ask a neighbor.
Oh, hi.
Would you like to buy a Holy Redeemer raffle ticket?
Of course, I'd love to buy a Holy Redeemer raffle ticket.
Selling tip number 2, call a family member or a friend.
Hello, would you like to buy a ticket for the You Choose auction raffle? The money will go towards operations and programs for our school.
Hi, Benny. Thanks for calling. I would love to purchase a Holy Redeemer raffle ticket.
Selling tip number 3, have your parents take a photo of you in uniform with the Holy Redeemer auction raffle sign. Use the photo as a raffle ticket marketing tool. The sign is in your raffle ticket packet.
Great idea. I'm going to email my photo to my friends and family.
I'm going to ask my parents if they can text my photo to my friends and family.
I'm gonna ask my parents to post mine on social media.
Make sure to wear your uniform for the photo.
Thanks for the reminder.
Do you think I've covered everything?
Well, did we talk about how important the fundraiser is for our school this year more than ever?
We did.
Did we say when the raffle winners to be selected and announced yet?
Yep, the night of the online auction, March 6th.
We even talked about how everyone can sign up and attend. Parents can even wear their pajamas.
You know what we forgot to say?
Appreciate your support.
Please support Holy Redeemer Catholic School. Let's reach our goal of 1,200 raffle tickets.
We appreciate your generosity.
Holy Redeemer Catholic School thanks you.
We appreciate your support.
Thank you.